So here we had a house that had an old fiberglass surround. It was like a 4-piece surround that was glued in. That happens a lot when people's valves go bad in the wall and they have to replace a valve, and they don't want to get a full like single piece surround. A lot of them won't even go in. This is a small bathroom, it wouldn't have fit in here. You got a very small powder bath, but it still has technically a small bathroom. It has a very small entrance. So what we did is we went in and took all the mold and rot out of the walls, and we poured totally seamless panels and just installed them. So they're totally impervious to moisture as long as you caulk them in well, seal the back sides, and you'll see what it is. It's a really nice before and after. It costs you about $200 to do a new surround like this if you did the work yourself, counting the wood and the epoxy, and it just looks beautiful. You can do this indefinitely, and then you could set this on a wall. You could put another one up here. You could cut it exact to shape for a whole wall. So if you ever see have you ever seen like a big granite wall get installed? You guys know how to template? Like, dude, watch a video on templating and I'll kind of go over that. But basically you can get like really narrow strips of wood and hot glue them together, and you make just a frame to trace, and then you can use that to kind of template a big sheet. And you could really do like if you wanted to go around like perfect, even if this wall's not square and you wanted to go like be perfectly flush with the edge and then along the top of the wall and then down around that vent and like perfectly to the window, you could really get that right if you learn how to template. So, and I'm not the best at it, but I've done a lot for granite. So just go watch a templating video and think about doing that with this and how much easier it is, because they're doing that and then they're like marking and trying to cut on stone with like bridge saws and stuff. You can grab a skill saw and just cut right through this.
Yeah, so man, I need to practice getting it in the crack a little better, huh? I want to really make sure it's sticking on both of those factory edges really well inside that crack.
That'll be much stronger right there than it is anywhere else in the sheet too. That'll be the strongest part of the sheet by far. Pouring. You guys can come and go.
No creo que pase la humedad con la cocina, ¿no? Es lo que yo le digo a veces cada tiempo.
Yeah, about. Nice steady 7-minute mix and we'll do it, Kelly. Now this, we want to be kind of thoughtful. We can't just push this because we want them all to match. And this might be a unique pattern I'm doing, so we'll pour a lot of the stuff in all the... Just spray paint. I really don't ever do it, but lately I've been doing it. So I guess I do it. So I'm very specific. Be kind of careful with this. Well, let's bring over whatever the first color is over there.
José, los sprays que se usa, ¿de qué base deben de ser? ¿De base qué? Ahorita lo buscamos de aceite. ¿De aceite será? Huele como a...
I'm really just trying to do everything the same on every single piece every single time. Make sure I'm not favoring a piece or something like that. It's easy for me to do that stuff. Any other accents you guys want to see?
No, just it.
Like a British accent or a?
Yeah. Sure. Hey, let's hear your Mexican accent.
Yeah, I'm not very good at any of
All
them.
the time. I want to hear your Mexican accent.
I'm not very good at that.
No?
Some of this gold is just gonna pull together as it dries and leave really crisp little spider webs, and I'm gonna spray a whole layer of clear alcohol to the top of every one of these right here.
I know. Oh, shit. This is unbelievable. I have never ever seen anything that beautiful. I know. Oh my God. I know. I love it so much. I can't stop staring. He's phenomenal. I know. He's very good at what he does. Tell you what. I can't get over. I've never seen anything like that.